Welcome back, everyone. I'll be laying down some welding today. About N.R.T. I'll be laying down some welds. Will welds be good? Who knows? Will country come? Yes, it will. Not too much wire going on it. My time is now. Coming now. Watching this light. That dang fuse blew. It freaking blew. That's what I'm talking about. This is some bird shit if I ever seen. Got myself a welding apron on the way so I can stop burning my shorts and once. That's enough welding for a day. Too damn hot to be welding. Bring you guys on over. As you can see, pure bird shit, as the Mr. Know-It-All welders would say. That's pure bird shit. That ain't welding, that's bird shit. So, yeah. I think it's time to bring out the old Lincoln N.R.T generator. I think it's time. The 140, I don't think it's doing it. It's not, I'm not welding for strength. I'm welding for looks, because this was all cracked right here. It wasn't cracked there, it was this edge right here was cracked out. And the threads were bad, so I just, well, I mean, it looks nice. I ground it all down the other day, but I don't know. Just don't seem like it's doing what I want it to, so more power. If it don't fix it, then I obviously need to learn how to weld, so we'll try more power, and then we'll see. But until then, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and yeah.